Did you know that Coca-Cola's secret ingredient isn't so secret after all? That's right, folks. The infamous Merchandise 7X, the mystery component that's been the talk of the town for decades, isn't as elusive as many think. It's a delightful concoction of oils, each contributing their unique essence to the iconic taste. We're talking about orange oil, lemon oil, and let's not forget the warm and spicy notes of nutmeg and cinnamon. The blend also includes coriander oil, adding a touch of zest and the sweet floral undertones of neroli oil. This symphony of flavors is what makes Coca-Cola so refreshingly unique. However, the exact proportions of these ingredients are a closely guarded secret, a recipe locked away in a vault, known only to a select few. So, while we may know the actors in this play, the script remains a mystery. The magic, as it turns out, is all in the mix. Now let's dive into the Coca-Cola manufacturing process, starting with the recipe. In the grand scheme of Coca-Cola production, the first step is all about the basics. Like any good recipe, it begins with quality ingredients. In this case, we're talking about a mix of dry ingredients. Without disclosing any trade secrets, let's just say that this includes a blend of natural flavors and sweeteners, all carefully measured and combined. Once the dry ingredients are thoroughly mixed together, it's time to bring in a key element: water. The water used here isn't just any ordinary tap water, it's purified, ensuring it's free from any impurities that could alter the taste of our beloved beverage. This water is mixed with the dry ingredients to create a basic mixture. Now things get a little sweeter. This is where sugar and corn syrup come into play. They're added to the mixture, resulting in a thick, sweet concoction we refer to as the syrup. This syrup is the heart of Coca-Cola, carrying its signature taste. But it's not quite ready yet. This syrup needs to be as pure as possible to ensure consistency in every single bottle of Coca-Cola. That's why it undergoes a rigorous filtration process. Using a series of fine filters, any remaining impurities are removed from the syrup. This process is meticulous, ensuring that the syrup is of the highest quality. You might be surprised at the level of care that goes into this part of the process, but it's all in the pursuit of perfection. Every step is calculated. Every ingredient is scrutinized, all to make sure that when you crack open a can of Coca-Cola, you're getting the best possible product. This syrup, this sweet, filtered elixir, is the backbone of Coca-Cola. It's what gives the drink its iconic taste and what sets it apart from the rest. It's a testament to the attention to detail and dedication that goes into making every single bottle of this remarkable drink. After this, the syrup is ready to be turned into the refreshing drink we all know and love. The next step in the Coca-Cola manufacturing process is carbonation and bottling. Let's dive right into it. The process of carbonation is a fascinating one, where science meets deliciousness. It begins with the mixing of the syrup and water, creating the base for our beloved beverage. But it's not quite ready yet. It's missing that signature fizz, that bubbly personality that we all associate with a refreshing can of Coca-Cola. And that's where carbonation comes in. Carbon dioxide gas is introduced into the mixture under high pressure. This gas dissolves into the liquid, creating those tiny bubbles that dance on your tongue with every sip. It's an intricate process, but one that's crucial to creating that iconic Coca-Cola taste. Now we move on to the bottling process. The carbonated drink is transported to the filling machine. This isn't any ordinary machine, it's a marvel of modern engineering, capable of filling thousands of bottles and cans every hour. Each container is filled with the precise amount of carbonated drink, ensuring consistency in every sip. But it doesn't stop there. Once filled, each bottle or can is swiftly sealed. This is a crucial step, as it locks in the fizz and keeps the drink fresh. The seal also ensures that the drink remains uncontaminated, maintaining the high standards of hygiene and quality that Coca-Cola is known for. And there's one final step before these bottles and cans can hit the shelves. Each one is labeled with the iconic Coca-Cola branding. It's a familiar sight, a symbol of refreshment recognized around the world. And just like that, a bottle of Coca-Cola is ready to hit the shelves. It's a testament to the art and science of beverage manufacturing, a process that combines precision, quality control, and a dash of magic to create a drink that's loved the world over. But wait, there's one more crucial step before Coca-Cola can reach your hands. This step is none other than quality control, an integral part of the Coca-Cola manufacturing process. You see, ensuring the consistency and quality of each and every bottle of Coca-Cola is no small feat. Every batch of Coca-Cola undergoes rigorous testing to ensure it meets the company's high standards. From the sweetness to the fizziness, from the color to the taste, every detail is scrutinized. The bottling plants even have specialized labs where experts taste test the beverages every day. Quality control doesn't stop at taste testing though. The physical attributes of the bottles are also checked. Everything from the cap tightness to the label alignment is inspected. This meticulous attention to detail is what ensures you get a perfect Coca-Cola bottle every time. And so, with every step carefully monitored and controlled, quality control ensures that every sip of Coca-Cola you take is just as good as the last. So there you have it, the journey of Coca-Cola from a secret recipe to a bottle in your hand. We've delved deep into the intriguing world of Coca-Cola manufacturing, starting with the enigmatic Merchandise 7X, the secret ingredient that gives the drink its unique taste. From there, we saw how this mystery component is combined with other ingredients to create the iconic Coca-Cola syrup. Then we ventured into the world of carbonation and bottling, where the syrup meets its fizzy counterpart and is sealed into the familiar bottles we all know and love. And let's not forget the final stop: quality control. This rigorous process ensures that every bottle of Coca-Cola you enjoy lives up to the brand's high standards. Next time you enjoy a Coca-Cola, remember the journey it took to reach you. Thanks for watching and stay refreshed.